Welcome to MIB, Interventions and Beyond Private Limited. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our patented flagship product, the multi-mask. Unlike any other face mask in the market, the multi-mask is the epitome of technological advancement and modularity. We realized that various industries need different types of masks for different purposes, and traditional masks were not designed for any technological inclusion. Therefore, after 2 years of relentless research and development, we have created the world's first modular mask. The multi-mask comprises two main parts, the body and the filter. The face contact part of the body is crafted using soft, biocompatible silicone, providing a secure and comfortable seal, while the transparent front cap improves hygiene and allows for visual communication. The modular design is compatible with various filters, each designed to suit specific industry requirements, and can be easily removed and replaced, reducing recurring costs. Adjusting the multi-mask is a breeze, with multiple points of adjustment to suit personal preferences. Additionally, the mask is future-ready and can easily adapt to emerging technologies like oxygen masks, electronic filters, Bluetooth microphones, and more. The multi-mask's modular design allows it to be used across various industries, including healthcare, chemical, paint, and pollution control, and can be retrofitted to cater to specific requirements. The multi-mask is a comfortable, multifunctional, and future-ready face mask that comes with an attachable shield. Experience the power of modularity with the multi-mask today.